Hello everyone. Start off by taking a circular black paper and then spread some clay on it as shown. And then add little sticks at the bottom out of brown paper and add some sprinkles on each of the ice cream. You may also decorate the outsides. For our next craft, take some white spongy cutout paper and then add some tape on one of the sides while cutting it out in the shape of an apple. Now put this onto a white sheet of paper, color it in yellow, add some hands, legs on the top and you have a pineapple. Cut out a brown sheet of paper in a circle and then cut out some earbuds and stick it as such, in a circular shape. You will have the petals of a flower and then add orange clay in the center. Repeat this multiple times in different colors and then add stems using green marker or sketch pen. Add some other flowers as well at the top and you may add some bees. For our next craft, take some circular white paper and then cut out some red paper in any such shapes and then line it with green and yellow. Add some seeds in the center to make a little watermelon and add clay in the sides to make little worms or ants. Next, cut out some yellow paper in the shape of a bitten pear, add a branch and some green leaves on top. Take some pink clay and then some red clay, yellow, green and blue and then make it look like a worm by adding antenna and small little legs. Next, take a circular black sheet of paper, add some green lines at the bottom using any marker or any glitter pen or any such thing. Add balls of clay and then add earbuds to all of them as shown. That will make the petals. Add some grass. Next, take some green clay, stick it on some white paper and then flatten the surface using any flat surface. Using a marker, add some squiggly lines to symbolize that it is watermelon. For our next craft, take a brown circular sheet of paper and then take some white paper in the shape of houses and then stick it and arrange it accordingly on the brown sheet of paper. Take some clay, we've chosen black color clay and make windows out of it. Then add some grass all over. Next, take a blue circular paper, add some green grass at the bottom, then take some clay in the color pink or any other color you may choose and add some flowers to each of these stems. Add some bubbles as well to form the leaves of your stems. Next, take a black circular sheet of paper and then take some yellow clay, flatten it on the surface, add some checks to it and then add some grass. You may make many fruits on this paper such as watermelon, kiwi and pineapple sticks. Next, take a white circular paper, cut some random sheets of paper and then add cute expressions, eyes, nose, mouth as well as some hands and some legs. You can also repeat this process for the other sheets of paper using various different emotions such as anger, sadness, etc. For our next craft, take some clay in yellow, roll it into a stick and then add small little balls and then flatten it onto the paper. Repeat this process by adding 3 at a time and then add some green bushes and vines on top of each of these. You have yourself pumpkins. Next, take a black circular sheet of paper, take some blue paper as well as some green paper and add clay at the top of each of these papers. Then add some brown and blue dots at the top to make it look like a milkshake or a smoothie of your choice. You may add some polka dots using markers or any such things and also add fruits at the bottom. Next, take some white clay and spread it onto a black circular sheet of paper multiple number of times. Then add yellow in the center of each of these clays to make it look like eggs. Outline them. Thank you for watching.